How to block hashtag on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to block hashtag on Instagram. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Instagram app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll go search interface. So now from here, you can choose any post, and from there you'll have to choose the hashtag. So simply from here, I will choose the hashtag from my post. Alright, so now after you find the post, in the below you'll find the hashtag. So simply from here, after tapping in this hashtag option, you'll be able to see every post related to the hashtag. So there is no any official way to block or remove the hashtag from the Instagram. So this feature is not still available on Instagram. So although you can make a request to Instagram support and team to remove the hashtag from your Instagram ID. So simply for that, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner, and now from here tap on three dots just at the upper top right corner of the screen. Alright, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go the options like help. So simply tap on this help option. Alright, so simply from here tap on this report our problem. Okay, tap on report our problem. Alright, include and continue. Alright, so now from here you can request to remove or block the hashtag from your Instagram IDs. So they might be providing you some guidelines related to this block or removing hashtag on Instagram. So if you are able to delete or remove hashtag from the Instagram, then go for it. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.